Hey, what's going on? What's going on? It's Ronnie's World. So this is the deal. It's been a crazy ass day, but the bigger thing is this. I just got my email and text from Apple. My MacBook is there, getting ready to go pick it up. But here's the deal with this. The new M3s came out in October, November 2023. And I've currently been working on a M1 MacBook Air for about a year and a half now. Looked at them, really wanted to upgrade, but waited. Glad I did. Because this is the deal. I actually bought a Apple Refurbished M3 MacBook Pro with the M3 chip. Got a great deal on it. We're going to talk about that later on in the video. But now we're getting ready to hop in the car and go pick this puppy up. See you at the Apple Store. Okay, I'm back. Now it's time to open this baby up. Basically, the only difference from between the refurbished and the brand new is there's no picture of the M3 Pro on the box. It just has the writing MacBook Pro, and it does say Apple Certified Refurbished on the bottom. So that's kind of how they differentiate the new from the refurbished. So let's open this puppy up and see what we've got. Okay, a moment I've been waiting for a while. Let me set this aside for a minute. Okay, so inside we have a black braided MagSafe cable, color correct to the model that I bought. Nice touch, Apple. We have the instructions, and let's see if I have my included black stickers, and I do. Okay, that's to the side. We have a 70-watt charging brick. This thing weighs a ton. Okay, put all of that to the side. And look at the pied de resistance. So this, again, is a M3 MacBook Pro with the M3 Pro chip. And look at that. Look at that. Not a scratch to be found anywhere. Wow, that's super cool. That's super cool. Let's open this puppy up. The sound. Okay, well, I have a few thoughts about this product. And I may have said a couple of these things earlier, but each Apple certified refurbished product undergoes a full functionality test, and any defective modules identified in the testing are replaced. And then it's put through a rigorous and thorough cleaning. As you can see, this thing came back brand new, completely repackaged, appropriate manuals, appropriate cables, new keyboard if needed, as well as a case. And at all of that, it goes through a final QA inspection prior to being added to the sellable refurbished stock. These products are only available on the Apple website and cannot be purchased in the store. They are not able to be financed through Apple at the time of this filming. However, you can use your Apple Education discount if you qualify for it. It comes with a full 1-year warranty, 14-day no questions asked return policy, as well as being eligible for the optional Apple Care Protection Plan. For the value, I think this was a great deal. This MacBook was purchased at about a $300 savings off of the current retail for it. For this particular model, this particular configuration was the M3 Pro chip, 18 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of unified memory. The savings allowed me to purchase both the Logitech MX Keys keyboard for Mac, as well as the MX Anywhere 3S mouse, which were being heavily discounted at Best Buy at the time of this filming, along with an LG 24 Full HD IPS monitor for my tiny desk workspace setup, giving me a updated video editing and content creating workspace for about $2,000. Again, for me, this was a great deal. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If you had the opportunity or you were looking to upgrade, would you purchase or even consider purchasing a Apple certified refurbished MacBook Pro? Why or why not? If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like so YouTube will suggest it for others. Consider subscribing to this channel, Ronnie's World, so that you won't miss any further content surrounding travel, tech, and EDC. Follow me on Instagram at Ronnie's World 240 and on Facebook at Ronnie's World. I'm going to leave you now as I always do. Buy the bag, book the flight, and take the trip. See you next week. Cue the outro.